or topologies of UPS, each with varying levels of mains protection. The most basic and cheapest UPS is known as an offline or voltage and frequency dependent type. An offline UPS is the most cost-effective way of providing protection against power outages. In an offline UPS design, the load is always supplied by the mains, whilst in normal operation an internal battery is charged, ready for use. Only when a blackout occurs does the UPS choose the battery and provide power to the load. This switching from mains supply to battery is typically less than 25 milliseconds. Although this sounds a very short period of time, it is enough of a break in power for sensitive modern equipment to notice. Due to its design, an offline UPS does not protect against other mains-borne disturbances. Therefore, this type should only be used for non-critical equipment. The next step up in protection is a LineInteractive or voltage-independent UPS. The LineInteractive design of a UPS works largely the same as an offline, but with the addition of an automatic voltage stabilizer or AVS. With the AVS connected to the load, it is able to provide protection against voltage instability by increasing or decreasing the voltage if the main supply falls out of tolerance. The switchover period to batteries still exists in this design, however it is typically reduced to around 5 milliseconds. LineInteractive systems with their greater power protection features and their larger power capacities are well suited and often used for larger non-critical loads, such as telephone switches, servers and smaller motor applications. And now for the ultimate in power protection and availability, the online UPS, sometimes referred to as double conversion or voltage and frequency independent. Different in design to the offline and LineInteractive varieties, the load in an online UPS is not directly connected to the main supply. Mains power enters the UPS and travels through a rectifier which converts the power from AC to DC. This is then put through an inverter to convert back from DC to AC before powering the load. If a mains power failure or disturbance occurs, there is no break in power while the system switches over. Simply the rectifier switches off and allows the inverter to take power from the battery set automatically. The batteries in an online UPS design are always connected to the inverter, ready for any power event. As a result of the conversion to DC power, any disturbances on the incoming supply are stopped in their tracks. Online UPS can typically range from 700 VA to multi-MVA systems. This, coupled with their total power protection, makes them the obvious choice for all critical loads.